दिस इज़ अ क्रिमिनल केस। जी स्टार्ट करते हैं। 5 4 3 2 1 स्टार्ट। काशिफ अली deceased 25 along with his father Shaukat Ali managed a kiosk within the remit of police station full stop. On the fateful day, Sadiq Ali petitioner, complainant's real brother, father-in-law of the deceased, asked for a cup of tea, declined by the deceased, infuriated by refusal, he took a churi from a nearby butcher shop and dealt repeated blows to the deceased on his chest, as the complainant attempted to intervene. He targeted him also on the belly and left hand, Commotions attracted the witnesses, whereupon the petitioner, while brandishing the weapon, took to the heels. Casualties were shifted to the hospital, Kashif Ali succumbed to the injuries on way, full stop. The deceased was married with petitioner's daughter Sajida Bibi. The marriage went on rocks and she was residing with her parents, It was in exchange of hand subsequently refused, and this background of animosity with an event on the day of occurrence is jail petition number 450 of 2015 cited as combined motive for the crime, full stop. The injured was examined at 11:45 a.m. followed by deceased autopsy at 3 p.m. who was noted to have 2 injuries, both on right side of chest, injury number 1, a sharp-edged stab wound into going deep on right side of upper chest, full stop, just 1 centimeter away from right border of sternum in between 3rd and 4th rib, ruptured the right lung and hurt, It was blamed as cause of death, full stop. Shaukat Ali endured an incised stab wound on the upper part of abdomen in the epigastrium region, accompanied by an abrasion on the left hand with corresponding cuts on the clothes, full stop. Pursuant to disclosure, the petitioner led to the recovery of churi found stained with blood of human origin, full stop. Petitioner confronted prosecution evidence, comprising ocular account, recovery of weapon and forensic reports, with the following plea. Start. All the PWs and related intercy and inimical towards me, full stop. Actually, the complainant forbade his son Kashif Ali deceased to divorce his wife Musammat Sajda Bibi as there was no son from her to his son, but he refused to do so, full stop. Shaukat Ali, complainant, during scuffle with him gave churi blow on his chest, due to which he died, full stop. During scuffle, Shaukat Ali, complainant, also received injuries at the hands of the deceased, full stop. In fact, Shaukat Ali, complainant, wanted to grab my share in the house inherited by us from our father, and due to this reason he has falsely involved me in this case in order to grab my share in the house where the complainant lives, full stop. The PWs are inimical towards me and they have falsely deposed against me, full stop. Unimpressed by the plea, the learned trial judge, wide judgment dated 28/2/2010, returned a guilty verdict from homicide as well as assault, semicolon. For the former, he was sentenced to death, whereas for the latter to 1 year regressive imprisonment with monetary compensation. The High Court maintained the convictions, however altered penalty of death into imprisonment for life. White judgment dated 21/9/2015. Whites whereof are being assailed though the captioned jail petition. Learned counsel for the petitioners contends that the petitioner had no occasions to kill his real nephew, who happened to jail. Petitions number 450 of 2050 be his son-in-law, as well as he had no reasons to destroy his daughter's household. Semicolon. She has vehemently controverted the allegations of an abortive arrangement for exchange marriage to argue that the position taken by the petitioner, being more plausible, ought to have been preferred by the courts below. Seizure of churi from an open and accessible place did not advance the prosecution case, concluded the learned counsel. Learned law officer has faithfully defended the impugned judgment. Heard record perused. Occurrence is a daylight affair reported to the police with a remarkable promptitude. Medico-legal examination of Shaukat Ali conducted under a police docket at 11:45 a.m. followed by autopsy at 3 p.m. with duration coinciding with the point of time mentioned in the crime report. Confirmed registration of case in the stated manner with exclusion of possibility for deliberations and consultations. Shaukat Ali furnished graphic details of the occurrence. He himself sustained injuries that confirm his presence at the crime scene. Muhammad Iqbal is an independent witness. He has duly corroborated the complainant in his depositions. Their evidence cannot be dislodged merely on the basis bald suggestions, denied vehemently. Injuries suffered both by deceased as well as complainant are consistent with the weapon recovered on petitioner's disclosure, forensically found to have been stained with blood of human origin. Theory of substitution inherently preposterous merits outright rejection in the face of formidable evidence inexorably pointed upon the petitioner. Both the courts below rightly appraised the evidence to concurrently arrive at conclusion, which on outward independent analysis have been found by us an unexceptionable petitions fails leave decline.